guys, so for channel, I know that this is like kind of weird to start the vlog like mid doing this, but I'm like moving out right now. I'm moving out my dorm. This is my room. Like, this is crazy. This is where I usually film all my videos. This is my bed, and I don't live here anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna do like a empty dorm room tour and stuff so that you guys can see. But like, it's ridiculous like how it looks in here. My mom drove this right here.
Another drawer and another bag.
So we're just getting everything. Hey guys, so we're on our way to the storage right now. We started this process yesterday, so like our stuff, some of our stuff is already in there. We're in the car with my mom. Say hi, Zion. She's like chopped away with all this stuff. But yeah, we're going. This is great lighting. I don't look great, but this is the lighting. And my mom wants to get something to drink. So she's getting something to drink, and then I'm gonna show you guys like the storage. But I'm not gonna show you like my number or anything. I'm just gonna show you like what it looks like and all that. So yeah.
With that phone by the gas.
Oh.
Mess around and blow me up.
Sorry. That's how it's looking right now. So let me show you. It's like all packed in there like crazy.
They dropped mandatory attendance too for a certain amount of days because my teacher right now I'm not exercising a lot of it, so you know, I don't know.
So much stuff in here. But this is pretty much it. Okay, so we're in the car. We're at Starbucks. This is such good lighting. Like, okay. But yeah, we're at Starbucks right now. My mom. I'm dying. I don't know where's that. It's right there. But like, I stopped vlogging yesterday just because there was just so much going on and it was so long. But we went to eat and stuff. No, we didn't go to eat. We got food. But yeah. So right now we're just here getting something. I'll tell you guys what I get. I don't really know what I'm gonna get yet, but yeah. Trying to convince my mom to do something fun. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do like a hotel room tour. I feel like that'll be fun. But yeah. So we're at the hotel and we're walking around now. We're gonna go get some chocolate covered strawberries if they have some. So yeah, last time we tried to get some, but we couldn't. Why couldn't we get any?
They were sold out.
They were sold out. So
Right before Valentine's Day.
yeah, so we couldn't get any, but we're gonna try to go in and get some today. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys.
That's something last time.
Yay. Yeah, let's get some. I'm sorry. You wanna get some?
We got a few. Should they $3 each?
These strawberries.
Why is it not colorful?
Thing is, maybe there is none. Maybe there is no third floor. There's nowhere to go.
It is. It wouldn't have 3 on there, but there's no. I don't think there's
one.
something up in, but some
We got 3. They were $1 each. Thank you to my mom.
$3 each.
$3 each?
Yes.
Oh my god, I spent $10.
Yes. Ain't nothing up here.
I told you. Oh my god, get it out of here. No, go down to 1. Oh my god, you should try it without me.
That's good. Got some on my nose. They're really good.
It wasn't worth $3.
Huh?
It wasn't worth $3.
Well, I wish you would have said that.
What do you mean? Before we tried it?
No. Hi.
Oh, we good though. Welcome to the Food Network. I thought you were the host.
No, it's time to go.
Why are you so boring? It would be fun if you just played along. If you like, oh, today we're gonna be making carnival funnel cakes. Oh my gosh, Mom. They have have here. They literally have buffalo bacon ranch soda butter. They have dictators. It's crazy. All of the root beers. Nuts. Okay, cool. So we're leaving the store right now. I couldn't really open this. I was bad at it, but the lady said I was better than most people. I think she was just being nice. Let's come over here. My mom's trying hers already. She's already tried a bunch of these, but this is the kind I got. I got the Hank's root beer. Tastes like regular root beer. Yeah, let's switch. So I'm gonna try mine's mom's dark cream soda. What is it called? Black cherries. Oh, it's cold. I really don't like that. Let's sit down at the chair, the bench, and just think about the. I want to think about the olden days. Hey guys, so we went to Papaya, and this is what I got. I'll just show you this first. I just got this like plain white V-neck. I need more, you know. I haven't had a lot and I need some more. I mean, I had some before, but I don't know where they went. Like, I have no idea. So this summer I'm just gonna be getting more and more V-necks, so I have something. And then I got this really cute, oh, this was $3.99, and I got a small. And then I got this shirt, and it's so cute, and it's gonna look so good on my skin.
Grab fam.
Black Girl Magic. It's really cute, and this was only $9.99. It was only $10, so it was definitely worth it. And like, I love like the details at on the back, so yeah. Okay, that was it. We got spicy wings. Yes. Oh, you're doing mine, right? I wanted that one. So we left the hotel, guys, and I have my hair like this asymmetrical.
In a quarter mile, turn left to merge onto I-20 East.
Sorry, we're on our way to McDonald's right now, and I'm gonna just talk to you guys when we get to McDonald's. Okay, hey y'all. So I forgot to talk to y'all when I had got back to McDonald's, but look at my hair today. I have like this asymmetrical twist, and I'm like, I'm here for this side. I'm not just popping it right there, but it's a cute look. It's cute. It's a cute look, darling. It's a cute look, darling. But we're at this gas station in Dallas. We dropped off the bags already, so we're just about to get something to eat. You want to just go to Chick-fil-A? It's like 1.1 miles away.
That's fine.
So we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A right now, and then I'll talk to you guys when I get to Chick-fil-A. Goodbye to our car. So we're getting on. Okay, so we're at the airport rental place, and we're just waiting on the bus right now, so we can get taken to like security and all that. So then go through security, wait at the tunnel. Our flight was for 4:40, but we board at 4:10. What time is it right now? Yeah, it's like 2:20, 2:30 around there. So yeah, we're just here. Bruh, so I was like, oh, you know, we had a pretty good plane ride, no problems, nothing. No, okay, so we get out, right? Sorry, I'm like struggling with my thing. So we're getting off the plane. I'm just standing up because my mom's trying to get her stuff, right? And so her stuff is on the seat, and like this guy, like he's like an old white man. He like puts his like hand over, and like he's reaching for something, but there's nothing to reach. And I don't know if he was reaching for my hair, or I don't know what he was trying to do, but what does he think this is? Like, where does he think he is? He cannot just be touching people. Like, this is not the olden days. I was just like, what the heck? My mom was like telling me to sit up, and I'm like, I can't. I don't want to. Like, I can't. I can't. All these bags into my aunt's car, and it's a struggle. Hey, Auntie.
Yeah, you got to show.
Say hi. Say hi, Auntie.
Hello.